Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I want to talk about the petitioner's criminal records. We at Visa Harmony, we provide assistance with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. We have first-hand experience. I am an immigrant myself. I came to the USA on a K-1 visa in 2013, went through the entire U.S. immigration process. First the fiancé petition, then the adjustment of status, removal of conditions, and I became a naturalized U.S. citizen in 2017. I will leave our contact information below. If you are a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident who wants to sponsor your foreign fiancé or immediate relative for a visa or a green card, you may be wondering how your criminal record will affect your ability to do so. To file a petition for your fiancé or immediate relatives, you will need to meet some basic requirements and to follow some steps. The main requirements are: you must be a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident. You must have a qualifying relationship with the person you want to sponsor. You must be able to prove that your relationship is genuine. You must be able to support the person you want to sponsor financially. If you have a criminal record, that doesn't necessarily mean that you won't be able to file a petition for your fiancé or immediate relative, but it's important to know that having a criminal record may make it more difficult to file a petition. There are two main ways that your criminal record can affect your ability to file a petition: by affecting your eligibility as a sponsor and by affecting your suitability as a sponsor. Your suitability as a sponsor refers to whether you are fit and proper to file a petition. For example, if you have been convicted of certain crimes that indicate that you pose a risk or harm to the person you want to sponsor, you may not be suitable to file a petition. However, having a criminal record may affect your suitability as a sponsor depending on the type and severity of your crime, the date and outcome of your conviction, and the relationship between your crime and the person you want to sponsor. For example, if you have been convicted of a crime against a minor, such as sexual abuse, child pornography, or kidnapping, you may be disqualified from sponsoring anyone for a visa or a green card. If you have been convicted of a violent or domestic abuse, such as assault, battery, domestic violence, you may be disqualified from sponsoring your spouse or fiancé for a visa or a green card. If you have been convicted of any other crime that raises concern about your character or integrity, such as fraud, theft, or drug trafficking, you may face additional scrutiny and questions from USCIS or the consular officer about your suitability as a sponsor. As mentioned earlier, there are certain types of crimes that may disqualify you from sponsoring someone for a visa or a green card. These crimes are outlined in the Immigration and Nationality Act, or INA, and the Adam Walsh Child Protection and Safety Act of 2006. These crimes include any sex offense against a minor, the production, possession, or distribution of pornography involving children or minors, kidnapping a child, any violent or domestic crime against your spouse or fiancé, any other crime that USCIS or the consular officer deems to be relevant to your suitability as a sponsor. These crimes and those like them are considered to be absolute disqualifiers for sponsoring someone for a visa or a green card. This means that if you have been convicted of one of these crimes, you cannot petition for anyone unless you can prove to the Department of Homeland Security, or DHS, that you pose absolutely no risk to the person you want to sponsor. This is very difficult to do and requires exceptional circumstances and evidence. If you are filing the petition form I-29F for your foreign fiancé, you need to provide all arrest and conviction records with your petition application, even if your records were sealed, expunged, or cleared. The USCIS performs thorough background checks. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comment section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.